Alright guys, right here's a bit of a tutorial of replacing the window switch. This is a 2013 Ford Flex. Just out of the blue, this switch kind of just went and broke. You can roll the window down. As you can see, you got pressure there, but on the way up, it's kind of doing its own thing. I haven't seen anybody do any videos of these. I just want to show you, well, I'm going to do it myself because I want to save myself the dealership money. Everybody wants to save a dime, so here we go. Just going to go ahead and use this little plastic spatula putty knife thingy, prevent any damage. And first I'm just going to see if I can pry it. I've never done one of these before. Hopefully it's nothing screwed on. From what I heard on the forums, you don't have to take the door panel off. Some people have taken door panels off. Some say you just work this area out and then replace the switch. So that's what I'm going to try. And hopefully this helps a lot of other people out there. Save a little money. That way anybody could change these switches. The switches are pretty cheap. I got this one online for about 20 bucks. As you can see, it's a Motocraft. Was it 20? With shipping, I think it came to 20. It's Motocraft, so it's a Ford brand, so it's original equipment. So let's go ahead and do this. Let's see if I can work it in there. Sorry about the camera angle, people. I'm doing this one-handed, so okay, that was pretty simple. Alright, yeah. See, yeah, there's the problem. My switch is right there. I don't know if these switches are delicate and they just tend to break, but as you can see, I got it out. It's held on with these two little metal tabs. So that's pretty helpful, that it's nothing screwed on, because this vehicle's not, it's not new, but it's not old at the same time. Who wants to be tearing apart their vehicles just to get these things out of there? So, well, here we go. Let me change it out. Let's see, mind me for a second. I'm just gonna try to get an angle. I'm just going to take the switch out. Looks like it's got a bunch of little tabs in it. Let's see if we can work it out. And they really don't want you to take this thing out of here, do they? Okay, there we go. Maybe you pull these, push out. Or maybe not. Let's see if we can work this out of here. That should just push through. You don't want to break this setup, so I don't want the switch falling through there, you know what I mean? It's a pain, kind of a pain. Shouldn't be that hard to get this out of here. Seem to be giving me a hard time here. something. As you can see, I'm having a little trouble here. It's got these little tabs in here that you gotta work out of the way. In here. Just use this putty knife to maybe hold it down a little bit. There we go. Yeah, I got one side. I just gotta work the other side out. There we go. There we go. Whoa. Yeah. It's not broken, so that's a good thing. Okay, let's put this one in here. Hopefully you have a good angle. I'm going to go one-handed again. Okay, here's the switch. And let me remove this. Let me put this in here first. All right. Should just snap right in. Okay, it's in there right. We're ready to go. Okay, now I gotta remove this old one because it kind of separated on me. So, just give me 1 sec. Sorry about all the movement, people, but it's kind of hard doing this stuff with one hand. Okay, old one is out, and wow, this thing just kind of fell apart. Okay, we're gonna snap this back together. There's a little plug here, right there, and we're done, people. It's pretty easy. I probably have to say the most time-consuming part was getting the old switch out of here. I recommend using a little spatula or something to kind of work the tabs out, because you have like 6 tabs holding this thing in there for some reason. Hopefully it helped a lot of people. Like I say, all I had was the forums to kind of give me a little guide. Let's test it out. Make sure it works properly. Alright, here we go. Let's start this baby up. Alright, let's check it out. Alright, looks like we're back in business. And yeah, we're working back again. Before it wouldn't let me roll the window up. But it looks like we're good to go now. Brand new switch, as you can see. It was easy to just snap this thing out. Just get like a plastic putty knife so you don't damage this. And then just start working it up. Pull that baby out. Like I say, hardest part was putting the old switch in. You know, because the old switch is jammed in there with about 6 tabs. So hopefully this helps a lot of people. It helped me. As you can see, that repair with a little bit of problems was still less than 10 minutes. Good luck everybody, and hope this helps.